Hello, in the continuation of the Ethernaut Master Hacker series, today we go through telephone instance. Leave a like, subscribe, and follow our next solutions.
Okay, so going straight to the code, we're starting with the telephone problem. So telephone is a device that's used for calling. No, I'm kidding. We all know that. Where's the code? We have the smart contract here. It's very simple. We have only one function. So very advanced smart contract. It takes owner and sets it as the publicly available owner address. Initially, the owner is the message sender, deployer of the smart contract, but if you want to change it, then there is only one requirement. The transaction origin must be different than message sender. So here it's really simple. We only have to know the difference between transaction origin and message sender. So those both things are not the same. You might know the message sender better because it's used much more often. And the difference here is that one is the person that triggers the chain of transactions. So for example, if we don't call the telephone contract directly, but we call our own proxy contract, attack contract, which we'll call the telephone contract, then the person who calls the proxy contract is transaction origin, and our proxy contract will be the message sender. So to fulfill the requirements, the only thing we have to do is to call the change owner function, not directly, so not here in the console, but using another smart contract as a proxy. So we can move to Remix, and here we have the interface of the telephone. Very simple, we don't need the implementation, we just need it for the ABI. And then we have the attack contract, the proxy, which has only one function. It takes the victim address, create a new instance. We haven't, so create a new instance and copy the address when it appears. We take the instance address and then we'll use it as a parameter here for connecting to the real victim contract, so the one deployed by Ethernaut, and we'll call the change owner on that. The message sender will differ from transaction origin, so the transaction should go through. So let's go to the practical part.
Okay, so the practical part. Let's just call the function attack, but first we have to deploy our attack contract. Let's change to the injected web3, and we'll call it via our address MetaMask. Okay, now we go to our implementation, and we'll just paste the address of our victim, and we'll attack it. So we gotta change the owner, and it's confirmed, so we can go back to the Ethernaut, and let's try if everything's good. All right, so let's submit the instance. All right, well done. Okay, so that's it for this one. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one.